Hello everyone. Today's topic is regarding how to highlight the row in Excel based on cell click. Here in this example, I have a data of cells. My requirement here is to highlight the row when I click on any cell. To do this, I have three buttons here: start, stop and clear. If I click on start button, a message box is displayed highlighting started. Click on OK. Now if you click on a cell, the row automatically gets highlighted. Here you see, and if you want to stop this auto highlighting process, you can click on this stop button. When you click on it, highlighting stopped. Click OK. Now when you click on the cells, highlighting doesn't appear, and the last button is the clear button. By clicking on this button, the highlighting will be removed. Click on clear. Highlighting cleared. So in this video you will learn how we can achieve this in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First of all, create these three buttons for start, stop and clear the highlight. To create the button, click on insert tab, click on illustrations, shapes, then select a shape style, then draw it over here. Then double click on it to write the text, for example, start. If you want to remove this fill color, go to shape format, shape fill, select no fill option. To change the font color, go to text fill, then take a different color for the text. Then you can adjust its size. Following the same method, you can create these two more buttons. After creating the button, you need to write a VBA code for automatic highlighting. The required VBA code is here in my notepad document. I'll put this code in the video description below from where you can copy. Let me copy this code by selecting it all. Copy. Then go to Microsoft Excel, right click on this sheet name, then click on view code. In the coding window, just paste the copied code. Now you need to do a modification in the code, that is you have to replace this sheet name with the actual name of the sheet. Here my sheet name in Excel is highlight, so in the code also there is highlight written, but if you have a different sheet name, then remove this highlight from here and replace your sheet's name here. After that, close the VBA editor window. Now you have to assign the macro codes to these buttons. For that, right click on this start button, then click on assign macro. Select this start highlighting macro, then click on OK. Similarly, for the stop button, right click, assign macro, select stop highlighting macro, then click OK. For the clear button, assign macro, select clear all highlight macro, then click OK. Now by clicking on the start button, you can initiate the automatic highlighting process. Let me click on this. Highlighting started. Click on OK. Now if you click on the data, the row gets automatically highlighted based on the cell click. If you want to stop this process, you can click on the stop button. Highlighting stopped. Click on OK. Now if you click on the cell, highlighting doesn't appear. If you want to clear all the highlights, you can click on the clear button. Highlighting cleared, and this button will clear all the previous highlight that is applied here in this sheet. However, if you have used a conditional formatting to highlight the cell, then that will not be removed by this clear button. For example, let me use here a conditional formatting. Highlight cell roll greater than, and if I put here 100,000, then click on OK. The value greater than 100,000 is highlighted. Now let me add here a manual highlight by selecting the cells. Here in this case, I have some conditionally formatted highlights and some manually formatted highlights. If I click on the clear button, the manually formatted highlight removes, but the conditionally formatted highlight does not remove. After doing this all, if you want to save this auto highlighting feature in your Excel workbook, then you have to save this as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the file tab, click on save as. Here in the file type list, select Excel macro enabled workbook, then choose the location where you want to save your file, then click on the save button. This will create a macro enabled version of the file, and to use this automatic highlighting feature, next time you have to open that macro enabled file. So this is how we can do automatic highlight of row based on cell click in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video tutorial.